Good morning students. Welcome back to the EVS class. I hope all are good and happy. Okay. Today we are going to study about the components of air. Components means contents of air. Ingredients contained in air. Air में क्या क्या है? Okay. It is the continuation study of previous class. In previous class we learned air contains different gases and other substances also. Okay, what are the different gases? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases in small amount. Also air contained other substances. Okay, now let us learn about components of air in detail. See, mainly we can learn about oxygen gas and carbon dioxide. Also water vapor, dust particles and microorganisms. Okay, first of all let us learn about oxygen gas. Students, I will ask you a question. Have you ever think about oxygen? What is the use of this oxygen? What this oxygen is doing inside the body? ये ऑक्सीजन का क्या यूज़ है? आपने कभी सोचा है ये अंदर जाके बॉडी में जाकर क्या करते हो? हाउ इज ऑक्सीजन यूजफुल टू अस? ऑक्सीजन हमें कैसे मदद करता है? नाउ लेट अस लर्न अबाउट दैट. Okay students, we already know that oxygen is very essential to living organisms being taken by animals and convert to carbon dioxide. Okay students, then most of the land animals obtained oxygen directly from the atmosphere, mainly with the help of lungs. See, we have lungs in our body. We have lungs in our body. Okay, this lungs help us to absorb oxygen from the air. Okay, see, the air we breathe in collects into the lungs. हम जो air जो लेता है, जो oxygen लेता है, वो कहाँ collect होता है? Into the lungs. Okay, I will explain you once again. See, when oxygen is inhaled into the body of living organisms, okay, it passes through the air sacs in the lungs. हमारे जो lungs है, lungs का अंदर air sacs है, छोटे छोटे pocket कैसे, थैली कैसे, छोटे छोटे air sacs. After that what will happen? Air sacs में पहुंच जाएगा. After that it will combine with the blood. Otherwise blood absorb this oxygen from the lungs. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हम ऑक्सीजन जब ब्रीथ करेंगे ये लंग्स में आकर कलेक्ट हो जाएगा. आफ्टर दैट ब्लड, यू नो, फुल ऑफ आवर बॉडी फिल्ड विद द ब्लड. हमारा बॉडी पूरा ब्लड है. अगर ब्लड ये ऑक्सीजन को अब्सॉर्ब हो गया तो इट विल पासेस होल द बॉडी. ओके, ऑक्सीजन इज सप्लाइड होल द बॉडी और it will transport it to the whole the body. हमारा body पूरा ये oxygen पहुंच जाएगा. Understand? Then what is the use of this oxygen? ये oxygen क्या करते हो? See, first this oxygen collects into the lungs. After that absorbed by the blood from the lungs. Okay? जो blood है absorb करेंगे oxygen. Then see, this oxygen help us to breaking down the food particles. हम जो खाता है फूड, हम जल्दी जल्दी करके जल्दी खाता है. then ये ऑक्सीजन इज हेल्पफुल फॉर अस. ये ऑक्सीजन जाकर सबको तोड़ के पिसाता है, सब पीस देता है, सबको अच्छे से पीस देता है. अंडरस्टैंड? दिस ऑक्सीजन हेल्पफुल टू ब्रेकिंग डाउन द फूड पार्टिकल्स. फॉर व्हाट? Then this food particles can produce energy. It will be in the form of nutrients. What are the nutrients? Vitamins, proteins, fats, carbohydrates. है ना? Many nutrients are there. It will be in the form of nutrients. Okay? Then these nutrients can provide us energy. See, we are talking running, jumping, है ना? थिंकिंग कैसे How we are getting energy? This food, we get energy from the food what we eat. Means this oxygen is helpful to us to produce energy. एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए हम जो खाता है, अगर ऑक्सीजन है तो डाइजेशन नहीं हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? मीन्स फूड टू पार्टिकल्स को ब्रेक डाउन करना है, इसके बाद डाइजेशन हो जाएगा. इट कैन प्रोवाइड एनर्जी. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, सी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. फर्स्ट वन, respiration. What is respiration? Respiration means living things include plants produce carbon dioxide during the process of respiration. Respiration means breathing. Okay, breathing का टाइम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होता है. ये प्रोसेस को क्या बोलता है? रेस्पिरेशन. सी रेस्पिरेशन प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. लिविंग थिंग्स during respiration they produce carbon dioxide. Okay, we breathe out means we give out carbon dioxide. You know that na? Then see produce when things burn. See कोई चीज अगर जल गया तो क्या प्रोड्यूस होता है उसमें से? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा हो गया तो गर्मी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, है ना? बट प्लांट्स हेल्प अस टू absorb this carbon dioxide from the air to make their food. For what? We are getting everything from the plant only. So this carbon dioxide is very helpful for us and plants. Okay students? Now see water vapor. First one, evaporation. What is evaporation? Change the water into gaseous form. Okay, this evaporation means water form change होता है गैस में. See, when you go to the kitchen, you can observe when your mother is boiling something, water, tea, making tea, something. Okay, then you can see steam is going up from the water. Means this steam is water vapor. Understand? This steam is water vapor. Means gaseous form of water. Water का gas form को क्या है? Water vapor. Okay? Then transpiration. What is transpiration? See, release water vapor. Release water vapor. ये कौन करता है? In previous class I told you, plants release water vapor through stomata with oxygen, है ना? Means plants taking water from the soil, then it will make food. After that excess water it will release through stomata. That is why we get cool under the tree. Okay, cool shade under the tree, है ना? You know already that. Then next, see dust particles. See harmful gases. Then fuels from automobiles and industrial waste. See already you know that dust particles is in the atmosphere. Air also contains dust particles. See if you observe rays of sunlight entering room, हमारा room का अंदर जब sunlight आता है, just you can observe, you will see tiny dust particles floating in the air. आपको देख सकता है टाइनी डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, छोटे छोटे डस्ट पार्टिकल्स हैं वो एयर में फ्लोटिंग ऊपर ऐसे देख सकता है. ओके, देन एयर कंटेन्स पर्टिकुलर मैटर सच एज dust particles like the pollen grains and other particles. Okay, I will tell you an example. See when you walk near the petrol pump area, okay, पेट्रोल पंप का आसपास में जब जाएगा तो we can smell the petrol because dust particles of petrol particles is in the air. That is why when we walk through nearby area of bakery, sweet shop, we can smell the sweet, है ना? Why? This sweet particles is in the air. That is why means dust particles is in the air from the automobiles, from the industrial area, smoke, all the particles are in the atmosphere. Then microorganisms, we already learned that the air around us carries wide variety of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, virus. जो एयर है हर जगह में हमें देख सकता है, वायरस बहुत है, कोरोना वायरस, वेल वायरस फॉर दिस फीवर, jaundice, some type of bacteria and means मच्छर भी इसमें है, okay, some type of bacteria are roaming around this, it can cause diseases, okay, it can cause diseases means harmful microorganisms are there, also useful microorganisms are there. In previous class we learned some type of special bacteria is there, it can convert the nitrogen in the usable form for plants like proteins, nitrates, है ना. So हमारे लिए अच्छा बैक्टीरिया उधर है, also harmful, it can cause diseases, है ना, ये हमें बीमारी लेके आता है. So it is very dangerous for us, okay. About microorganisms we cannot see with our eyes, it is too small, okay students. Now let us once again we can learn. See, components of air, okay, components of air, different gases are there and other substances also there, then respiration and transpiration, okay, you understood. We can read the chapter page number 248 and 249, okay students, good.